Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. This is going to be a crisp video, and in this video I basically just want to let you know that American Express has come up with a new offer, and in this offer you're getting limited edition playing cards. So if you might have remembered a previous video I have done some time ago, where at the time of shooting that video there was an offer by American Express where they are offering limited edition playing cards, and these ones are little different. So if you have seen that video, you would have known that those were black design cards. So this one are more golden in nature, and they are designed by Manish Malhotra. So that's what they are claiming, and basically this is a similar sort of an offer where if you want these cards you would need to apply through a referral link, and this offer is only valid till 22nd October 2024. Last time they extended the offer for the Explorer Kit, so I made a video on the Explorer Kit itself. I even done the unboxing for it. You can check those videos out as well, where I have shown the limited edition playing card, the previous one, the black color one, and the Explorer Kit that I have recently received through this referral program offer as well. Now these cards that are designed by Manish Malhotra, they look a little different from the previous one. So these are on offer, and basically last time at Explorer Kits offer, the offer was extended a little bit, a couple of days, but I'm not sure if it would be extended this time for these playing cards. However, if you're interested, I would say, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. That is my referral link. And if you apply for an American Express credit card through the referral link in the description below, then you will receive these limited edition playing cards that are designed by Manish Malhotra. So, by applying for an American Express credit card to the link below, you would get a set of this limited edition playing cards. Plus, you will get 2000 referral bonus reward points as well as you will get a welcome gift of 4000 reward points. And this is, I believe, little different from whatever card that you choose. So if you end up choosing the platinum travel card, I believe 2000 and 4000 this will be the same. But let's say if you go for MRCC or something other than that, then the amount of points you would receive through the referral link would be a little different. However, it could be a good deal for you to get this limited edition playing cards as well as some referral bonus points as well. Now, if you would like to check out the previous limited edition playing cards, you can do that. I'll leave a link to that video in the description or somewhere, and you can check those out. But those were basically black colored card. Those were also pretty premium. I'm not sure how these would be, and in case someone from your side apply for this credit card, the American Express credit card, through my link, and I receive these cards, I'll make an unboxing video for you guys as well. So if you want to see that video, and if you want to, receive these cards for yourself as well, then use my link in the description below when you're applying for an American Express credit card. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thanks, take care, and bye.